Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today we are discussing the percentages, fraction and decimals, and percentages from chapter 12 of the Hoarders Education, the book of mathematics for O level. In this exercise, we have developed percentage. We have converted percentage to fraction, and then percentage to decimal, and some. Similarly, we have calculated some percentages of some values. For example, 10% of 200 is 10 by 100 into $200, so it's 20. 10% of $200 is $20. Similarly, for $6, 10% of $6 is 60 cents, or $0.60. For money we use 2 digits after fractions, so that is 60 cents. For 10% of $7.20 is 0.72, this is 72 cents. And 20% of $300 is 20 divided by 100 into $300 is $60. Similarly, the 5% of $6.8 is 5 divided by 100 into $6.8, so it is 0.34, that is 34 cents. Now some word problems. A sales representative gets 15% commission on sales of $600. How much is his commission? That is 15% of the 600, that is 15 divided by 100 into 600 is equals to 90 degrees. So which is more, 15% of $20 or 20% of $15? So we'll show it here. 15 divided by 100 multiplied by $20, 20 divided by 100 multiplied by $15. So we are getting this. So they are same. So both are the same. Both are equal. A charity spends 5% of their income on administration. 1 year they received $8,000. How much is spent on administration? So 5% of $8,000 is 5 divided by 100 into $8,000, which is equals to $400. So $400 is spent on the administration. A school gave 30% of the money raised from a sponsored bike ride to a charity. The total raised was $260. So 30% of this $260 will be given to the charity. So the charity received 30% of 260. 30 divided by 100 into 260 is equal to $78. So similarly, for work out these, 63% of 475 is 63 divided by 100 into 475, which is equals to 299.25. So similarly, for 99% of 172 is equal to very close to 100%, so it is equals to 170.28. Similarly, for 3.5% of $60 is equal to 3.5 divided by 100 into $60 is equal to 2.10. Beardell's jewelers offered 37.5% off the price of all rings. How much did this offer of a ring priced at $420? So they are providing a off of 37.5%. So 37.5% of 420 will be off. So the amount is 37.5 divided by 100 into 420, that is 157.20. This is the off money. So we will subtract this from 420 to find the discount price. So ring price after discount is equal to $420 minus 157.20, which is equals to 262.80. Expressing one quantity as a percentage of another. So 12 as a percentage of 100 is equal to 12%. Similarly, 4 meters of 10 meters is basically the 40%. 30 cents of $2 is equal to 30 cents divided by 200 cents into 100 is equal to 15%. In a sales promotion, a company offers an extra 150 ml of cola free. So 150 ml is providing free. The bottle usually holds 1 liters. What percentage of 1 liter is 150 ml? So 150 ml of 1 liter is equal to into multiply by 100 is equal to 150 divided by 1000 ml. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml multiplied by this. So that is 15%. So they are providing 15% extra cola. Halima scored 12 out of 40 in a test. What percentage is this? This percentage is 17 out of 40. So 17 out of 40, 17 divided by 40 multiplied by 100 is equals to 85 by 2, which is 42.5%. During a 30 days of September in 2014, it rained on 28 of the days. 28 days out of 30 days, so which is very high. On what percentage of day did it rain? So 28 divided by 30 into 100 is equal to 93.33%. Now percentage change. Change divided by original amount into 100 is called the percentage change. A shopkeepers buy an article for $10 and sell it for $12. What percentage of profit does she make? So the change in amount is 12 minus 10, which is $2, divided by the original price, that is $10 multiplied by 100 is equals to 20%. That is 2 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Rahat bought a car for $1,250. A year later, she sold it for $600. She bought it for $1,250 and sell it at very low price, less than half. What percentage of value did he lose? The percentage change is 1250 minus 600 is equal to 650 divided by 1250 into 100%. So the 52% is the percentage loss. So he lost 52% on selling the car. Hannah reduces the time it takes her to swim 30 lengths from 55 minutes to 47 minutes. What percentage reduction is this? Give your answer to the nearest 1%. So 55 minutes, she was taking 55 minutes originally, and later she improves to 47 minutes to cover that distance. So 55 minus 47 minutes divided by original time, which was 55 minutes. So the percentage change is 8 divided by 55 into 100 is equal to 14.5%. So the percentage change is 45% sure. So she was taking 85.5% time of the previous time. So that is the 14.5% reduction in the original time. Now increase $400 by each of these percentages. 20% of $400 is equal to $80. From $400 increases to 480. So 400 to 480. Now the increased value will be 480. So 45% of $400 is equal to 180. The original price was $400, so we'll add this to that. We'll have increased from $400 to $580. 400 plus $180 is equal to $580. decrease of 200%, $200 by each of these percentages. 30% of $200 is equal to $60. So the $60 has decreased. So $200 minus 60 is equal to $140. $60 of from $200 decreases to $194. So this is 60% of $200 is equal to 60 divided by 100 into $200 is equal to $120. So it is decreased from $200 to $80 because $200 minus $120 is equal to $80. The rent for a shop was $25,000 a year and went up by 20%. This amount has increased by 120%. So the 20% of this 25,000 is equals to 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 25,000 is equal to 5,000. So the 5,000 amount has increased. Now the new rent is equal to old rent. This is the old rent and this is the increase. So the new price or new rent will be $25,000 plus $5,000 is equals to $30,000 per year. To test the strength of a piece of wire, it is stretched by 120% of its original length. The length of a wire has stretched and its length increases by 12%. The piece of wire was originally 1.5 meter long. How long will it be after stretching? So the 12% of 1.5 meter is equals to 0.18 meter. So the new length of the wire would be the original length or the old length plus the increase in length due to the stretching. So 1.5 meters plus 0.18 meters is equals to 1.68 meters. A drum kit lost $280 before sales tax is added. Before sales tax is added, what will be the cost after sales tax at 17% has been added? So 17% has been added to this amount. So the sales tax would be the 17% of this cost, that is $280. So it is 47.60. 17 divided by 100 multiplied by this cost price. So this is 47.60. This cost price will be added to this price to become the price after sales tax. The cost of the drum kit including sales tax is equal to $280 plus sales tax amount, that is $47.60. So the total cost is now $327.60. Percentage increase and decrease using a multiplier. So write down to the multiplier that will increase an amount by each of these percentage. 13% increase means it was originally 100%, now 13% increases, so its value is now 113%. 120% increase means 20% increase means then the new price is 120%. So 2% increase means 102%. 150% increase means 250%. 100 plus this. Sanjay used to earn $4.60, $4.60 per hour. He receives a 4% increase. He receives a 4% increase. The 4% increase, this rate has increased to 4%. So the new price is 104% of this 460. So the new Sanjay earning is 478.40. dollars. So this is 4.780. So it should be divided by the 100. So this the new rate is Sanjay earning rate is 4.784, 4.78. Finding the original quantity. After an increase of 12%, a quantity is 85 tons. What was it before the increase? The original quantity be considered as X. After an increase of 12%, a quantity is 84 tons. 84 tons after adding 12%. So the original tons was X. So the amount increased by 112%. So that is 1.12 of X is equal to 84 tons. So 1.12 times X is equal to 84 tons. So X is equal to 84 divided by 1.12, that is 75 tons. The original quantity was 75%, and after increment of 12%, this increases to 84%. A newspaper increases the average number of copies it sells in a day by 3%. The 3% sales has increased. So initially the new numbers of copies sold is 58,195. So what was it before the increase? So it was less than that. So an average number of newspapers sold was before increase of 3% was X. X was assumed as a number which was sold before increment of this 3%. So the 103%, that is 1.03 of X is equal to 58,195. So this X times this is this. So X is equal to 56,500. So before increment of 3% in the sales, the original number of sales was 56,500. A television cost $564, including a sales tax of 14.5%. The cost is 564 including a sales tax. So sales tax has been included in this amount. What is the cost without the sales tax? So after the cost without the sales tax is assumed as X. So 117.5% of this X is equal to $564. So X is equal to 117.5 divided by 100 this. So it is 1.175 into X is equal to 564. So X is $480. So without including the sales tax, the amount is $480. So that's all for this percentage, fraction and ratios topic.